Hey, what is up guys? So today I have some Ghost Recon Breakpoint gameplay and I'm playing with my friends Wildcat, Moo, and Azers. So first off, I just want to say thank you to Ubisoft for giving us access to play this game extra early. And this is actually an alpha build of the game, so keep that in mind. And another thing I want you guys to keep in mind is that we had to record the gameplay at an event that they were running. So the microphones they had for us are going to make us sound a bit different than normal. But if you guys are interested in checking out this game yourselves, it will launch on October 4th, 2019. However, there is going to be a beta that's available on September 5th, 2019. And if you pre-order the game right now, you'll be guaranteed access to that beta. So, you know, make sure you do that because it's actually a dope game and I think you guys are going to like it. So click that link in the description, check it out. But besides that, guys, hope you enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching and all the support. And I will talk to you all later. Everybody get in the helicopter.
Come on!
All right. Which direction? Okay.
Wait, who's flying?
I'm flying.
Do I want to be in this?
Oh, yeah.
Wait, Evan's flying.
Moo, you're not one to talk. Remember last time? Give me a line of sight. Give me a line of sight.
Hold on, I'm flying my drone around.
Break yourself!
Oh my god.
Oh, he knows where you fucking Go, go, go!
Where do you want me to go? Where do you want me to go?
From here!
Where do you want me to go?
Anywhere but here!
All right.
Who's in the gunner seat? Shoot at the thing.
Yeah. Can I get close to it so you could shoot him?
Eject! I'm so calm, I'm so calm! Oh! Oh shit!
I jumped out and fell and died.
Yeah. What were you saying, Evan?
You know what? I was just trying to get the gunner close to the drone.
Wait, we're like right next to it again.
These were actually white. We're in the same field, but this is just our blood. It's our blood.
Guys, there's a giant robot, like 12 meters away.
But we have guns, so...
What is that shooting at?
Look at the missile.
What's it shooting at?
What is happening?
What's it shooting at?
Does it think we're over there?
That thing is
No, it's getting like shot at or something.
Yo, look, check this out. I got a big ass tube. Look at this.
How do I pull
nice
mine
tube.
out? I have
Look
one.
at
How do
this.
I pull it out?
It's a Dyson blow dryer.
Nice. There we go.
This is called the Rigatoni rocket launcher.
Hey, that's racist.
Let's all get an angle on top of this hill and just shoot at it.
What is that? What is that?
Oh
What is
yeah.
that?
Come on,
Angry.
bitch!
It knows how screwed it is.
Oh.
Suck it!
Fire!
Messed it up.
Boys!
We did it!
Wow,
We did it! It was easy!
Yeah.
Oh, it's not! It's still alive!
God, bad call out. Bad call.
Don't worry, I got another one.
Oh boy! I only had 2.
Got it. Okay, it's still not dead.
EMP grenade time!
Yeah, I have EMP grenades.
Oh, no.
that's bad. Get out of it,
No.
Revive.
Yeah, I got hit. Medic!
We need revives.
Elon!
Oh shit!
Elon!
Coming! Trying to heal you.
Okay, it's not EMP'd anymore.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, remember how we thought we beat it?
Yeah.
Oh,
10 minutes
rockets.
ago,
Oh,
yeah.
I got it. It's dead. It's actually dead.
Nice!
It's actually dead. Wait.
Are you
like
sure?
for real this
Are you
time?
sure?
It's
Or-
actually dead.
I did it, boys. I shot it.
I did it. That was me.
I shot it.
I got a purple marksman
See,
rifle.
I'm shooting it. I did it.
Go teabag it.
Yeah, dude. Teabag.
Yeah, it looks very
Get up there.
safe.
Can we take from it?
Yeah.
All right, I gotta walk away from it in slow motion.
This is the future version of Burning Man. Right, we did it. That was good.
What a
easy.
heap of junk, dude. Yo, look at these pretty flowers.
Wild looping.
Oh, guys, look, some tomatoes. Come pick the tomatoes. Nice, dude. Holy shit, we killed a giant crab drone, and we're gonna make some nice salsa.
Yeah.
What a day.
Hey, my dear makes the best salsa. Fool, let me have some of the tomatoes. Shit.
Look at Elon Musk's water slide. Look at this shit. It's crazy.
Going for it. Guys, I'm gonna go down the water slide. I'm going. Water slide. Yes!
I'm just limping down the hill.
I'm not going very fast. This water slide sucks. Elon's always making
the
promises
sewage
he can't
system.
fulfill, dude. Oh, guys, refill water. Come on, guys. Everyone, refill your water.
This is seawater, dude.
No, this is damn water. Come refill your damn water.
This is damn water. Get in the damn water! Listen, man, I know you've never swam before, but this is your moment.
Okay,
How are you ever a Navy SEAL if you can't swim?
I found a way to skip that part.
That's the entire part.
It's so squidgy, it's getting in my chinos.
I'm hopping in the river shark.
Ace.
Wait!
Wait!
I hate the water!
Here, get up to the
Evan,
side.
let's see how high up the dam we can go.
Pick up our friend!
Don't need him.
Oh, that's so
Nice.
high. Whoa.
All right, perfect. Parked it right where I wanted it.
Wow, this is not where I dropped the pin. Hello.
On up.
Going up the ladder.
Oh, Evan, be careful. Deadly drone right here. Dangerous.
Where?
Right here.
Where?
Right here. Dangerous drone.
Oh.
Yeah. I think it's asleep though. It's fine.
See us.
Oh, look at the guy on the left.
Hey, calm down. All right, we're just here doing maintenance.
We're here to fix the plumbing.
On the drones.
We're here to fix the dam. Going up.
Get up the ladder. Stay together.
There's a sniper up there, so watch out.
Oh, guy right here.
Oh, do they know we're here?
dead.
No, let's keep it that way.
Two guys down. Two guys down there. I'll take out the one on the left. You take out the one on the right. Okay?
The one's moving. The one's moving.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
No, I'm. Oh, got him.
Nice.
Got him.
Oh,
Got him.
shit.
This guy's
Still
alerted.
one-
He's
still
alerted
one
right
guy
below.
over there.
There's
Where?
a chunky over there.
You kill him. You kill him. Okay, good.
Oh!
People are seeing us from the other side. From the other side.
Oh, yeah.
side?
No.
What is that?
North.
I'll get the sniper.
Tango down. Tango
Go.
down.
Nice.
Tango down.
Probably actually.
They got a helicopter.
Come over the
We're
wall.
screwed.
Don't worry. We have rocket launchers, remember?
Oh, I have gas grenades. I'm actually gonna use it. Yes. How you like that? How you like that?
Ooh, I got a diesel.
Enemy!
Place.
Oh shit! Come on, reload! Hurry up! Oh, I should have changed my pistol. Is
What
that
is
an enemy?
going on in here?
Oh hi!
Yeah, what's up?
How you doing?
Oh, God, that was really bright.
I'm just trying to still find a place to upload my footage. Ooh, where are we going? Where are we going?
We need to
Go
go
on.
in this building.
Going around.
Sit your ass down.
Ooh, that's a fancy car.
Me and Moo are flanking.
God, it helps to actually hit bullets. There we go.
Oh, I just Moo.
Yeah,
wait
just-
up! Wait up!
Just hit your shots.
Wait up! I'm just drinking some water.
Oh
I
yeah.
hit my
Give me a
shot.
second.
It's important to stay hydrated in this situation, Evan.
Okay, guys, this is our house. We must defend it.
Yeah, we gotta defend the objective for another minute.
Yeah.
It's our house.
Our
Oh, there's a helicopter. I see a helicopter.
A helicopter.
I'm gonna chop it.
A helicopter. Get some.
Guys, I found another Nintendo Switch.
Shoot the helicopter! Shoot the helicopter!
Never mind, this is someone's germ.
Get some. Uh-oh.
Oh shit! This is not good.
Oh.
Get down.
Gotta get the cover. Gotta get the cover.
No.
Nice, mission completed. We did it.
We did it. Great.
Where's this guy? Take that.
Oh my God!
He deserved it.
Let's just take the helicopter.
Someone else should fly this time.
All right, here we go.
Roll out.
This is the last mission.
Well, I want us to take a look at this thing. What is this?
Say goodbye to your boat.
Guys, shoot these guys right here.
Yeah. Line them up. Line them up. Line them up. Line them up.
A little bit more.
Yeah.
Oh,
Shoot him! Kill him! Jesus!
Oh!
He shot back.
That took you guys long enough.
And I'm out of bullets.
They're dead.
Is that a civilian?
I don't know.
Used all the bullets in the minigun to kill 2 people. Wait, can we parachute? We should parachute.
All right, parachute.
Shit. Fuck
go.
up. How do you?
Mission impossible.
Oh man, I'm black. I don't parachute. Oh shit. How do
I
I do?
pulled it way too early.
Oh my God! I pulled my chute so last minute.
Oh my
You guys
god.
You
There's
okay?
drones
You
and
guys okay?
shit here. This is not
You're
good.
right, there are drones. I'm parachuting the fuck away from there.
I pissed this drone off.
I pissed a little bit.
I pissed myself.
And I'm dead.
You guys gotta see this thing. Holy
Oh, I
shit.
can see it from my drone.
It's a
I'm just
Roomba
gonna
on
watch you.
steroids.
Boomba.
Where?
Boomba.
That's a Boomba right there.
Oh, that one right in the middle?
Okay, what was that? I'm down. Someone threw a grenade or something at me and it blew up a barrel.
Oh, shoot! Run!
Roomba! I'm dead again, instantly. Something is shooting rockets at me. Am I gonna revive this time? One of you is right next to me. Evan,
What?
go get me.
I'm scared.
Listen, it's a very simple
I'm
process. You
scared. There's an enemy!
pop a smoke,
I'm scared.
you just throw a smoke grenade.
Where are you?
Look at your mini map. I'm the cross.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Oh,
no!
no.
Missed!
No!
Excellent.
Oh no.
I'm coming.
I'm here. I'm here.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
I'm here to save
Oh,
you. Doctor,
shoot!
For him.
You're gonna get eaten by the vacuum.
Spawn, it's fine.
Wildcat, you okay?
Nope, I respawned. Thanks for the help, dude.
I knew you would respawn. That's why I didn't get you. I was just doing it for the team.
I'm dead again. What is
Kobe.
instantly killing me every time?
Ah, the guy drove out of the room. Come on. Kill the room up.
Kill DJ Roomba.
DJ room up. Dude, that vacuum
He's
cleaner
being a
has
real dude.
power.
I'm dying.
He's dying.
Don't my chihuahua. I love her.
Oh, wait. Do we have any more rocket launchers?
Yo, I think
No, we
it's
don't.
dead. It's dead. It's dead.
That does not look dead at all.
You're right. We just pissed it off. Now it
Thread
entered
the
super
needle.
cleaner mode.
Use it. Use it. Use it.
some.
Use it. Ow! Guys.
It's really low. It's really low. Just shoot it.
Guys.
EMP grenade time.
Help me.
We'll help.
I'll help you as soon as the Roomba's dead. It's dead.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice shot. Good job.
How's it going, buddy?
Pick me up.
I got you.
Pick me up.
Hey,
Guys, I
guys.
killed it.
Thank you.
Hey, guys.
Yeah.
Can I
Coming.
get a little love? Thanks, guys. I appreciate
All right,
you.
he's fine. I got him.
Yep.
Okay, what we're gonna do?
I'm
We're gonna put him right
definitely
here.
alive.
Okay,
We're gonna put him right here.
Okay, you guys. Yeah, you guys just go.
Give him a Viking
Okay, Evan. All right.
We got him.
Hey, we did it.
We did it.
Mission complete.
We did it. All in one piece.
Who's got me picked up? Put me down.
Come on. Good job, guys.
Good job, everybody. Completed the mission.
Yeah, now look what happened. I disappeared.
None of us got hurt during the entire time.
Nope.
Flawless.
Flawless victory. We took down a giant crab robot, a couple
Yep.
Roombas.
Yeah.
But most importantly, we had fun.
And salsa.
Yeah.
And salsa,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
And I got in the water for the first time.
That was good. You got in the damn water.
One.